This is a conceptual project created for the City of Westland in conjunction with their urban planners McKenna Associates using a 3D interactive software package. Digital Visions was able to take the proposed layout changes for Ford Road between Wayne Road and the City Center Drive and convert them into a 3D interactive tour. At the time that we worked with McKenna, the only information they had was a 2D overlay showing which buildings would be removed, changes to the parking areas, placement of newer buildings closer to the road, and the addition of more parking space. We took McKenna's drawings, interpolated it with aerial photography, and then created building masses showing the characteristics outlined in the proposal. In addition, Digital Visions was able to incorporate massing of existing buildings to give the city and residents a frame of reference during the tour. The result is a conceptual 3D tour which blends the existing positive characteristics of the city with the proposed changes, giving the City of Westland a unified presentation that the mayor was able to use during his State of the City address. By creating this conceptual video, the City of Westland has a universal communication tool that fills in the gaps left by speech and single graphics. The video can also be loaded onto their website so residents can stay informed as the city progresses. In addition to a presentation tool, the planning department can also use the interactive tour to track changes to their master plan. As new designs come in, the conceptual buildings can be removed and replaced with detailed 3D models. Now, the planning department can evaluate these new designs in full context against the existing landscape and the conceptual buildings in full 360-degree movement. The 3D model is now an investment in the future of the planning department by giving the ability to continually grow and change with the city. Digital Visions can create data from virtually any medium. Conceptual buildings can be created from verbal descriptions, pictures, or similar existing buildings. For instance, the buildings you see here are photographic combinations of existing buildings from other cities that fit the description the City of Westland gave for the future of their city. However, for more accurate data, CAD drawings are preferred as they provide precise, to-scale data from which 3D models can be created. Since our software has correct scale and realistic textures, you always get the most accurate representation of the project. Additionally, we can convert existing 3D models that may be submitted by a developer for a proposed building. This particular 3D tour for the City of Westland is a conceptual tour to unify an idea and was not created to the same level of detail you would expect from a finished product. However, the data created here is an excellent framework for the layout of the city and can be easily enhanced as the project progresses. Whether you are evaluating changes to your master plan or to a form-based ordinance, reviewing a request for a proposal from multiple developers, or evaluating a new design coming into your city, Digital Visions has the communication tools that speak to all parties involved. By providing clear communication, you shorten the approval time on projects, smooth over disgruntled NIMBYs, and unify the vision of your city. Digital Visions has solutions to meet your presentation needs, and we welcome you to contact us with more information at 800-301-2188.